Hi there, it's Cam from Cam's Mortgage Minute. Today I'm going to talk to you about reverse mortgages. We'll cover it really quick here. I do get asked this question once in a while, living in Victoria with an aging population. So let's tackle it. Number one, in order to get a reverse mortgage, you've got to be at least 55 years old. That's right. You and your spouse both have to be living in the home, and it has to be your principal residence. The maximum amount you can borrow with a reverse mortgage is up to 40%. That's it. So if your house is worth $400,000, the most you could get is $160,000. Now, what makes reverse mortgages very unique is the fact that you do not make the payments directly every month, so it doesn't come out of your pocket directly. However, the payment does accrue. In other words, the monthly payment that was due will keep getting added to principal. Can reverse mortgages be paid out at any time? Absolutely. You're not stuck in any way. If the house is sold, you can pay them out. If you just want to remortgage and pay it out, you can pay it out. So you've got lots of options there. Now, the reverse mortgage will stay in play until you move out of your house. So if, let's say, you pass away or your spouse passes away, the reverse mortgage stays in play. If once both of you pass away, then of course the mortgage has to be paid out. The house would be sold, the reverse mortgage would be paid, and your estate would be left over the surplus funds. Your credit does not come into play when qualifying for a reverse mortgage, so your credit rating could be anything. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to come into play. Now, the positives of the reverse mortgage, again, like I said, for folks is the fact that they can pull equity out, credit doesn't come into play, their age is not as relevant. I mean, I recently had an example where I had a 90-year-old client looking to get some money out of a house she had worth $850,000. Most banks would never tell you they would discriminate against on the basis of age, but they do. There was no lender really who wanted to lend her the money, even though she only owed $50,000. The reverse mortgage was the way to go. We got her the extra funds that she used to do some renovations and some repairs and assist a family member. So for her, it was a winning product. The downside of reverse mortgages? Well, quite frankly, the rates are higher than you would find traditionally, so that would be a downside. The fact that I guess you're not making payments and you're going interest is accruing on interest, that can be a downside. However, with the fact that reverse mortgages are capped at no more than 40% loan to value at the maximum end, there is no risk of you losing your home or having the reverse mortgage company foreclose on you. Those are stories, urban legends, and myths that happen, but it certainly doesn't happen these days. So if you want to know any more about reverse mortgages, don't hesitate. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. At the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, all that wonderful social media stuff. We look forward to assisting you.